The ABLLS-R is a trusted assessment, one you've gone to again and again, because it hits all the areas you want to address with your clients: language, social interaction, academic readiness, and motor skills. At Different Roads to Learning, we understand the struggles you face finding the perfect materials for your assessments. You're on the go, working in clients' homes or moving between classrooms with unpredictable materials at your disposal. We partnered with the experts to curate our ABLLS-R Assessment Kit. Endorsed by Dr. James Partington, our kit contains every item needed to address all 544 skills covered in the 25 skills areas. School districts and ABA clinics nationwide use our materials, and we are certain our assessment kit will save you time and money. Each kit includes our ABLLS-R suggestion sheets that direct the appropriate items to use for appropriate targets. You can trust the durability of the materials we offer. Our items are hand-picked to withstand tearing, chewing, and throwing. The items will continue to be of use as you grow your clients' strengths and weaknesses in the context of your ABA curriculum. And we accept purchase orders. Visit www.difflearn.com or email info@difflearn.com to learn more. We are here and happy to help.